Welcome back. Keeping your personal and business banking separate is really financial to you as you keep up with your finances. So today we welcome Steve Falco with Citizens Bank and Trust to talk to us about commercial banking and how Citizens Bank and Trust is giving us the tools for success. Steve, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for having me, Fernanda. It's my pleasure to be here.
Absolutely. So we want to talk about the importance of keeping your personal banking separate from your business.
Yeah, many people, successful business people, see their business as an extension of themselves. But when it comes to their finances, it's important to keep their personal and business finances separate in order to keep out of trouble with the IRS. My job as a commercial banker is to help guide people on their business finances.
Absolutely. And you are with Citizens Bank and Trust, and we want to talk about how you guys differ from other banks in the market.
Well, many of the banks in our market pick their customers they want to do business with, and they elect not to do business in certain industries. At CB&T, we do business with every industry and do not disqualify anybody based on the industry that they're in. We're actively looking to grow our commercial customer base.
That's awesome. So we want to talk about you and your customers and sort of that relationship that you have with them, and what do you actually do for them?
Well, I like to have conversations with my customers. We talk about their short-term and their long-term goals. When we're having those conversations, I hear things that I can help with, and I like to make suggestions to help save time or money. Many times I'm able to hear things about their operations, and we can make suggestions that help limit loss due to internal or external fraud.
That's great news. And we also wanted to talk about the products that Citizens Bank and Trust actually offers us.
Right. Well, loan products are pretty standard in the industry. We offer lines of credit and term loans just like everybody else. Where we really get different at Citizens Bank and Trust, our business checking account has no per item fees or cash deposit fees like many of the other commercial banks tend to charge.
So we're popping the information out there. Steve, there we have your phone number up there, 318-629-3219. But what is it that you want our viewers to know about Citizens Bank and Trust?
Well, our motto is, your business is personal to us. Our bank is governed by a local board of businessmen that have deep ties to Caddo and Bossier parishes. We're well connected in the communities we serve, and we're committed to their growth and success.
Yes, thank you so much, Steve, for being with us today. We're going to pop up your information one more on the screen, but we want to talk about the difference of Citizens Bank and Trust being local and small, and knowing who you're going to talk to, and knowing who is behind your finances, and so someone that you can trust.
Yes, yes.
And it's in the name, so that says it all right there. Steve, we're going to pop up your information right there, 318-629-3219. They're at 6330 Uri Drive. That's in Shreveport. Steve, thank you again so much.
Thank you, Fernanda.
Yeah, stay with us. We're headed to the kitchen after the break, and we're making something delicious. It's lunchtime. I'm hungry. Stay with us.